Good morning, everyone. This is Iris. Today, I will tell you about my daily routine from morning to night. I will speak slowly and clearly so you can understand every word. You will also learn useful phrases and words that you can use in your everyday life. It's a perfect way to practice your listening and speaking skills. So get ready. Let's begin. Every day I wake up at 6 o'clock. When my alarm rings, I open my eyes slowly and stretch my arms. Sometimes I don't want to get up. My bed feels so warm and soft. But I smile and say, "It's a new day. Let's start." I go to the washroom. I splash cold water on my face. It wakes me up. Then I wash my face and feel fresh. After that, I go to the kitchen and drink a glass of lukewarm water. It's good for my health. Next, I walk to my garden. The morning air is clean and cool. I sit on my yoga mat and close my eyes. I do meditation for 10 minutes. I breathe slowly, in and out. Then I do some yoga and stretching. It helps my body feel strong and calm. After yoga, I go back inside. I brush my teeth, then I take a shower. The warm water feels so nice. Then I go to the kitchen again to make breakfast. Sometimes I eat toast and eggs, sometimes oats with milk. And yes, I always drink a cup of coffee. Coffee makes me happy in the morning. I usually have my breakfast in the garden with my family. We sit together around a small table, surrounded by green plants and colorful flowers. The cool morning breeze touches our faces, and birds sing softly in the trees. We talk, laugh, and enjoy our food slowly. The fresh air and peaceful garden make our mornings feel calm and happy. It's my favorite moment of the day. It gives me positive energy and a big smile to start the day. After breakfast, I choose my clothes for the day. I open my wardrobe and think, what should I wear today? I pick something comfortable and nice. Then I comb my hair and put on a little makeup. Before leaving, I always check my bag. My phone, keys, notebook, and sometimes a snack. When everything is ready, I put on my shoes, smile, and say, "Let's go." I drive my car to work every morning. Sometimes I also pick up my friends on the way. It's always nice to have company. We talk, laugh, and share stories during the drive. Sometimes, when we feel like eating something special, we stop at our favorite cafe and have breakfast together. It's a lovely way to start the morning. When the traffic is slow, I listen to music or podcasts, and it makes the ride peaceful. When I reach my office, I say good morning to the receptionist, then hello to my colleagues. Everyone is busy but cheerful. I turn on my computer, check my emails, and talk to my team about work. After about 1 hour, I feel like having coffee. So I go and make myself a nice cup. Sometimes even 2 cups. At around 1 o'clock, it's lunchtime. I usually eat with my friend Sarah. We go to the office cafeteria or sometimes walk to a nearby cafe. We talk about work, laugh at funny stories, and enjoy our food slowly. I usually eat rice, vegetables, pasta, or a sandwich. After lunch, I like to take a short walk outside. The fresh air helps me feel awake and happy for the afternoon. Back at my desk, I check my emails again and continue my work. Sometimes I have small meetings with my team. We plan projects, solve problems, and share ideas. Around 3 or 4 p.m., I like to have a small snack or tea. It gives me energy for the rest of the day. I sometimes talk with my colleagues about our hobbies or plans for the weekend. Evenings at work pass quickly because I am focused and enjoy my job. Before leaving, I make sure everything is organized on my desk. Then I say goodbye to my friends and colleagues, feeling ready to enjoy the rest of my day. After leaving work, I drive home, enjoying the cool evening breeze. Sometimes I stop at the market with my friends. We walk slowly, look at the fresh fruits, flowers, and snacks. We laugh, talk, and sometimes buy something special to enjoy at home. The golden light of the evening makes everything look beautiful and calm. When I reach home, I greet my family warmly. We talk about our day, share funny moments, and help each other with small tasks. I freshen up, change into comfortable clothes, and sometimes take a short walk in the garden to relax. In the evening, I make dinner, usually something light like soup, salad, or rice and vegetables. We eat together as a family, talking and laughing. After dinner, I wash the dishes or help my family tidy up the kitchen. Then it's time for my skincare routine. I wash my face, apply cream, and brush my hair. Sometimes I read a little or write in my journal. Today was a good day. I worked, laughed, and enjoyed every moment. Finally, I say goodnight to my family, turn off the lights, and I lie down in my bed, pull my soft, warm blanket over me, and feel my body relax slowly. The bed feels cozy and comfortable, and my muscles feel calm after the long day. I close my eyes, take a deep breath, and feel thankful for today and excited for tomorrow.